If you are looking for ways to make money online and you know how to chat, then you are in luck because today I've got an incredible platform to share with you that is going to change the way you work and earn. But before we dive in, first thing first, make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you never miss out on any of our amazing remote work tips and opportunities. Trust me, you won't want to miss a thing. Now, let me tell you why Remotely for You is the ultimate game changer. Signing up is a breeze. Just head over to your browser and type remotelyforyou.com. And when you get type that, this is how your interface will look like. It's to become a chat operator and work from anywhere. So, do you like to write and you're self-employed? Then you're the person we're looking for. So you have to apply and start working. There are three simple steps you have to follow. The first one is application. You have to submit your application, your name. So when you submit your name, an email will be sent to you. A verification email will be sent to you, and you go to your Gmail and confirm your email. An ID verification. You must be over 18 years of age to be accepted and to receive payment. So you are required to do what? To put your verification. And online training. Once your application has been approved and you have been verified, you will need to complete the relevant training before you are ready to start. That's it. Three simple steps you are going to go through. And what will you be chatting about? This platform helps thousands of lonely Americans every day to have more meaningful life, expressing themselves online with anonymous fantasy character. Their users write online text message to fictional people on a fantasy chat platform. So your job is just for you to answer them, make a conversation. You chat about everything from everyday life, such as sports, weather, to dreams, fantasies, and other topics. So this thing is an open mind thing. So as a chat agent, you have to be 100% anonymous, text only, no video and no voice. You just only have to do it to test, and you work independently and with full flexibility. You earn more depending on how often you work, help those who need someone to talk to. And what is the salary? Being a chat operator, you will work as an independent contractor and therefore have full freedom and flexibility to work as much or as little you want. You can also work from whenever you are, as long as you have access to your internet, your PC or your laptop. You are good to go. There are different ways you can be rewarded too. The basic salary is calculated based on how many messages you reply to, and their rates per message depend on various factors such as the time, the day, the traffic, the holiday, and many more. So it's hard to say the exact money you are going to be paid per week. But if you work 4 to 8 hours a day, that is 5 days a week, you earn between $200 to 500 weekly. While some agents, they do earn more than that. They earn $3,000 per month. So you have to decide your own. And there are many bonuses to retrieve from this. If you want to earn from this platform, you have to put on the work. You have to put on the work. You have to be dedicated, hardworking for you to get your money and retrieve some bonuses. So the more you work, the more money you get. And the flexibility, these platforms strive to pay their chat operators equally or better than other chat operator services. So this platform has the biggest chat volumes to work with to enable you have the potential of getting more salaries, and they pay weekly. They pay weekly. They pay weekly. What are the requirements in order for you to chat as an operator, to become a chat operator? You have to master English in writing. You must be 18 years above. Yes, you must be over 18 years old. And you will not just say you're 18 years, you'll be asked to provide a proof that you're over 18 years. Remember, the privacy statement and your contract terms, both the person you're chatting with and your own privacy statements are required. So both your client and you have the highest priority in providing your privacy statement and contract terms. What about responsibility of your equipment? You're going to be the one to be responsible for your equipment, your device that you're going to use, and your internet is going to be provided by you. And minimum numbers of messages per week. So you have to send a minimum number of messages per week to remain an active operator. So what does this mean? It means you have to work hard. You have to be persistent. You don't have to stop. So for you to continue being a chat operator on this platform, you must continue. It's a continuous process. You must continue working. You don't stop. And you might be asking, why do they need my ID? According to United States law, they cannot let anyone under the age of 18 work as a contractor with the service. So that's why your ID is needed. Some people might tell a lie that they are above 18, while they are not. But when you provide your ID, they will know if you're telling the truth or you're telling lies. So, in addition, they do not have the opportunity to send salary payment through a payment service provided unless we have confirmed that you're sending them to the right person. So that's why your ID is needed, so that your money will not be sent to someone else. And if you don't provide your ID, you won't get your money. So for them to know that, for them to be sure that they are sending the money to the right person, you have to provide your ID. And there is only one accepted method of verifying who you are, and that is by providing it through a valid government-issued ID, such as passport, driver's license, or other ID. So any other ID you have, either your passport, your driver's license, that's what you're going to send for you to be verified. And they do not store your ID for any reason other than legal and to help you get started easily as possible. And for you to get your salary, for you to get your money weekly. So you have to do all these things. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step to an exciting and rewarding remote work journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you thrive in the world of remote work. Until next time, stay inspired and stay remote.